The Sound of the Teacup, a Zen Story. Part 1. The Scholar Arrives. Daiki was known as a brilliant scholar, young, well-read, and hungry for truth. Yet despite all his knowledge, he felt restless, as if each answer led only to deeper questions. He had heard whispers of a reclusive Zen master named Haru, who lived in the mountains, beyond the last village, and even past the last path. They said he taught without words. One morning, Daiki packed a small satchel and began his journey. The forest thickened, the trail disappeared, and silence grew louder with each step. Eventually, he found a small wooden hut nestled among cedar trees. Smoke rose from its chimney. An old man sat on a stump, watching the trees breathe. Daiki bowed. "Master Haru, I have come to learn the way of Zen." The master did not respond. Daiki tried again. "I've studied the sutras, practiced meditation, debated with monks, but I still feel lost." Haru stood slowly, opened the door to his hut, and gestured inside. "Would you like some tea?" he asked. Part 2. The overflowing cup. Haru returned with a teapot and two small clay cups. Without a word, he began to pour tea into Daiki's cup. It filled, and then it overflowed. "Master!" Daiki cried. "It's full!" Haru stopped. "You are like this cup, full of opinions, of conclusions. There's no room for anything new." Daiki looked down, ashamed. "Should I forget all I know?" "No," Haru replied, "but hold it lightly. Let it settle. Let it go, if only for a while." They drank in silence. The tea was simple, bitter, warm. For the first time in months, Daiki did not analyze. He just drank. Part 3. The Listening Stone. That evening, Haru led him behind the hut to a flat stone nestled in moss. "This is where I listen," Haru said. "To what?" "To the mountain, the silence, the truth that needs no words." They sat. A crow called out in the distance. Thoughts tugged at Daiki. Memories, ambitions, doubts. Haru spoke softly. "The mind barks like a dog left alone. Let it bark. Don't chase it." "I thought Zen was about silencing the mind," Daiki said. "It's about no longer believing it," Haru replied. That night they shared rice by firelight. No teachings, no answers. Only warmth and presence. Part 4. The cracked, bold days passed. Daiki swept the path, fetched water, chopped wood. No lessons came, only moments. One day he dropped a bowl in the stream. It cracked against a stone. He reached to grab it, then paused. In the clear water, the broken bowl looked beautiful, complete, even in its imperfection. He stared at it, feeling still. "I think I understand a little," he said later. Haru nodded. "You'll forget again." Daiki blinked. "And remember again," Haru added. Part 5. The Sound of the Teacup. On his final morning, Daiki rose before dawn. Steam rose from his tea as he sat alone, listening. No questions remained, only the sound of the wind, only the silence between. Haru joined him, placing a hand on his shoulder. "When the cup is truly empty," the master said, "even silence makes a sound." Daiki nodded, then smiled. As he walked down the path to the world below, he carried no notes, no scrolls, no teachings. Only the sound of the teacup. If this story brought you a moment of peace, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Your presence supports more stories like this. Thank you.